Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this vid, hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Man, that just feels really good. Just get a good look at this device. Shout out to Best Buy. They even gave me a microcloth to wipe off the Z Flip. I'm going to tell you right now, in comparison to the Motorola Razr phone, this device, solid, way better. The quality build, the materials just feel that much better, and it costs less. Just look at that. And there is that crease right in there, and I could live with that. I think I could live with that. Next to the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Check that out. Ultra just a little bit bigger. Wow, that is just amazing. Let's see if I can play some content on here. Cool, we got some Wi-Fi going on here. I'm going to play some free music. One single speaker right there. Wish it had two. Doesn't sound too bad. Let's play something a little bit louder. It's some metal. And when you close it, it turns off the music. And we're gonna go to a movie trailer, but I'm actually gonna have to mute this part. I just want you to see what the display as far as the visuals look like, the quality that's going to be delivered to your eyeballs. Feels really good in hand, really good, just solid. In my opinion right now, this definitely beats the Razr for what little hands-on time that I've had with the Motorola Razr and the Z Flip. I'm spending my money on this one. You can definitely see the crease. I've turned the volume down. I just want you to look at how vibrant this display is. And this video is not doing it any justice. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful, even though you can still see the crease. Simply amazing. Yeah, if I'm spending my money today on the Motorola Razr or the Z Flip, I'm going with the Z Flip, definitely. Just solid, just solid. Let's take a picture of the Ultra. Okay, so we got a regular wide and ultra wide. So you can see that's just a regular photo, and then we got the ultra wide mode right there, which is quite a difference. It's quite a difference there. I can do it with one hand. Here we go. I'm not that good at it though, because it is definitely a lot wider than the original Razr back in the day. But this is something you would get used to. But it feels really good in hand. It looks great. And again, it's a solid device in comparison to the Motorola Razr. A little close up right there. There we go. Check it out. Mid-fold, and you can still take a picture. Digging that. This device feels really great in hand. It's a little wider. It seems a little wider than my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but it looks stunning. Let's check out that camera hump, man. I don't care what anybody thinks, that is just sexy. That is nice. Wow. The S20 Plus camera hump. And the S20, the smaller variant. Look at that. .9, 6.7, and 6.2. The little hole cutout seems to be a bit smaller, but there is definitely a lot more screen going on here with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and it is just gorgeous, just beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Crazy. Check out that pic, man. That looks awesome. Look at the blur in the background there. Wow. And that's just taking a regular photo. All I did was tap on the display to capture that image. Telephoto cam, regular wide, ultra wide, 100 times zoom. Ultra wide looks great, regular wide looks great. If I zoom in, somewhere in there is where that 100 times zoom was able to get to and capture an image of the word anime, and I don't even know where that's at. It's somewhere in there. But yeah, this image right here, that looks amazing. Crazy. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. Peace. God bless. I'm out.